To meet the need for instant real voice communications, which has become one of the fastest growing segments of the communications market, the multi-message record and playback system, VoiceLink, brings this dimension to voice notification. Wherever you need natural voice reproduction, VoiceLink is the system that can be specifically tailored to accommodate your requirements in any conceivable application. VoiceLink has been designed to satisfy the needs for voice messaging in any type of business. VoiceLink has been designed with the customer in mind, from easy field programmability to accessing of hundreds of messages. There is just no better way to enhance a company's communication system. Just imagine manufacturing and process control operations with increased productivity, transportation systems operating more efficiently, hospitals providing specific emergency and patient information, institution and public buildings providing specific emergency and evacuation announcements, the retail stores providing up-to-the-minute sale and special event announcements automatically. The opportunities for enhanced communications are as limitless as the imagination. To acquaint you with how VoiceLink operates in different environments, let's review a few applications. First, the hospital setting. In the intensive care unit, there are many monitors which can be activated at the same time. Ordinarily, a nurse wouldn't know which tone was for which patient. With VoiceLink, now they know exactly the emergency and location.
Attention, attention. The emergency station has been activated by Mrs. Jones in room 202. She is diabetic and on oxygen. Immediate attention is required. Attention, attention. The heart monitor for Mr. Smith has gone flat. Notify crash team and respond immediately. Code 99. Room 202. Code 99. Dr. Smith, please dial extension 227. Thank you.
In process control, you can monitor the operation of equipment and machinery.
May I have your attention? There's excessive steam pressure in boiler number 2. Shut down the main steam valve and open the economizers. May I have your attention? There are unsafe levels of hydrogen sulfides in the north tank. Reduce sulfuric acid levels in the main pumps. May I have your attention? Assembly line number 7 has stopped due to low pressure in boiler number 2. Check valve number 8 at post number 7 for pressure reading. May I have your attention? Main crack unit number 1 and the aviation fuel heat exchangers have shut down. Change lines to secondary cracking unit.
These messages can be broadcast through as many as 4 separate audio channels simultaneously. For example, you can send the message to the supervisor's office, to the operator, and to the maintenance department, as well as activating other auxiliary functions through the Form A contact associated with each output channel. In a fire application, the need for specific emergency evacuation information is critical. With the 4 separate audio channels, you can announce a different message to the occupants of the building, to the firefighters, to maintenance personnel.
May I have your attention? A fire has been reported on the 10th floor. While this is being verified, please stand by for further instructions. May I have your attention? The automatic fire alarm system has been activated at 101 Main Street. The automatic detector has been activated on the 10th floor, on the east side of the floor. The closest ingress to the building for this fire location is the rear door. Stairs will be to your right as you enter. The elevators are straight ahead. May I have your attention? The automatic fire alarm system has been activated onto the 10th floor. The automatic detector is located on the roof in AHU number 4, which services the east side of the floor. May I have your attention? A fire has been reported on the 10th floor. Please leave the building using the nearest exit or exit stairway. Do not use the elevator.
In this type of application, it is very important that a fire announcement has priority over any other message that might be activated at the same time. And that is exactly what happens with Voice Link. The fire messages can broadcast first, and other messages will be in the queue and will be broadcast after the fire message. In fact, there are 5 priority levels available. The last 2 priorities, number 4 and 5, have the unique feature of being acknowledgeable. Here are some additional demonstrations to give you a sample of the opportunities available. First, school information.
May I have your attention? All students, please report to your homerooms. May I have your attention? Due to weather conditions, school will be closing. Please report to your homerooms for further instructions. Attention, maintenance, check temp conditions in the gymnasium. Attention, all band members, practice will be held Tuesday, 8 p.m. in the gymnasium.
Activity schedule.
Welcome to the 1996 Olympic Games. This activity center will provide information as to the time and location of today's events, July 29th. Preliminary ladies track and field 100, 200, and 400 meter races will begin at 12 noon in the Coliseum. Men's 100 meter swimming finals will begin at 1 p.m. at the Martin Luther King Pavilion. Please make sure you have your tickets available for the agent when you enter the venue. Shuttle buses leave every 5 minutes from designated bus loading areas.
Transportation announcements.
May I have your attention? United Airlines flight number 106, service to Los Angeles, will depart from gate 31. Attention, train number 6, Amtrak service from Toronto, now arriving, track number 12. Next station stop will be Baltimore. Attention, City Lines bus number 20, service to Los Angeles, will depart from gate 31.
And security information.
Attention, attention, a break-in has been reported in building number 1. The PIR has been activated at door number 1 in the computer room. The central station has been notified. The central station will call to verify condition. The emergency station has been activated and is recording on VCR number 1. A blocked door has been reported at door number 2 in the computer room. May I have your attention? Your access has been denied. Please report to guard station to verify status.
The messages in all these applications use a unique programming concept called stringing. This allows you to create a library of phrases or message segments, and used in any combination allows you to obtain many hours of playback capability in any language. For example, the word attention was used in various messages, but it was only recorded once.
Good. Wheelock sounds. Wheelock sounds good.
As you can see, this concept can save memory time, which equates to dollar savings. Now that you've heard some of the good sounds of VoiceLink, here is how the system works. There are two basic VoiceLink systems, DV100 and DV200. The basic DV100 is a playback-only unit designed to minimize the cost of automatic voice announcement systems. Each unit comes equipped with an RS-232 port through which you can activate up to 999 input files, 8 contact closure inputs, which can easily be expanded to 256 using the DVEM expansion module. Each DVEM has 32 inputs. You can cascade the modules up to 8 for the maximum of 256 points. The unit has one audio output channel built in. No memory is included in the basic unit because two types of memory are available. Blank memory, M1, when you are programming the DV100 using the DV200, or program memory, PMK, when we program the unit for you. EEPROM memory is used in the DV100 because it is non-volatile. In fire security applications, you never want someone to change the message at will. The basic DV200 is a record and playback unit. The basic unit comes equipped with an RS-232 port through which you can activate up to 999 input files, has 8 contact inputs, and one audio output channel. 2 minutes of PS RAM memory and a 25-day standby power supply for data retention. Messages can be recorded and easily changed by using a microphone or tape recorder. The DV200 is programmed using simple visual LCD instructions, making field programmability user-friendly. The system components are modular. You only purchase the capabilities you need. Both the DV100 series and the DV200 series can be optionally supplied with up to 4 audio channels, one of which can be a telephone port with automatic dial-out capability. You can add an RS-485 communications port through which you can activate up to 999 files. Memory options are up to 8 minutes for the DV100 and up to 16 minutes for the DV200. So, at a fraction of the cost of alternative systems, you can provide hours of messages. The standard power source is 12 volt, 29 volt, which allows the units to work on standby battery from a control panel. Each unit draws only 200 milliamps at 24 volts in the quiescent state and 350 milliamps in the activated mode. All Wheelock products have been designed with the customer in mind, providing operational features so that the systems are easy to operate and maintain. At every step of the way, Wheelock is committed to provide you with first-class service and timely delivery. Conscientious staffers from all departments dedicated to producing quality products, highly skilled technicians to answer your product and applications questions, state-of-the-art computerized order processing systems to assure timely delivery, and a knowledgeable customer service staff that really cares about your needs. In other presentations, we will guide you through the advantages of using loudspeaker voice paging systems and fire alarm notification devices.